Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you are brand new here. In today's video I'm testing out some TikTok hacks and I can't wait to share them with you. So don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already, and also leave today's video a thumbs up, and let's just jump straight into it. So the first one I wanted to try out was cleaning the doors with fabric softener. As you can see, this door is pretty filthy, so I wanted to go ahead and try this one because if you've been here before, you know that I am all about the fragrance. So anything that smells nice, I'm definitely going to give it a go. And I was actually really impressed with this. I would definitely give it a thumbs up. It wipes away all of the marks so easily, and it also just leaves everything super shiny and smelling beautiful as well. So this one definitely gets a thumbs up from me. So the next thing is something I've been meaning to do for a while now, and it's to clean the bathroom walls with a mop. I picked this one up from B&M for £3, so super affordable, and it just does an amazing job. It stops you having to bend over and you can reach all of the high places, so definitely recommend this one. So the next hack I came across was cleaning the mirrors with some shaving foam, and this one I definitely do not recommend. Don't try this at home. Apparently you just needed to buff it on, you keep rubbing and eventually it will just all rub in, and it also stops it from steaming up when you're in the shower. Well, halfway through I realised I made such a mistake doing this, and I did have to wet the cloth and wipe it off. I will say it does stop it from steaming up when you shower, but honestly it's just not worth it. Use normal glass cleaner. This one I definitely do not recommend. So moving on to hack number 4, and this is more of an organisation tip to folding towels, and I've got two different ways of doing it, and I love the first one. You roll it up and it honestly looks like you're in a spa. So if you did want to arrange them in the bathroom in a different way, I definitely recommend doing it this way because it's just so pretty. But you can also do a little towel parcel, which I think is so cute and pretty, and again you can just have it in your bathroom as a little centerpiece if you're not actually going to use the towels. I don't really have the right size towels to do the little parcel, but I still think it ended up really pretty. So I definitely recommend doing this if you do want to have a bit of a fancier bathroom, or if you're having a spa night. These definitely add to it. So this little gadget from Amazon went viral over on TikTok, so I needed to give it a go, and it does the exact same thing a squeegee does. I have tried the squeegee before and it works wonders. So if you have a squeegee, you don't need this little gadget as well because it does do the same thing, but it does work wonders. As you can see, it's picking everything up off the carpet that the Hoover misses. So I do definitely recommend you get this or a squeegee and go over your carpets and see just how much your Hoover misses, because you'll be amazed at how dirty your carpets actually are. Somehow you turned my life completely upside down. So for the next little hack, we're back in the bathroom, and I want to go ahead and clean the shower head. As you can see, it's not too bad, but it is starting to build up and go a bit orange. So I wanted to tackle this before it got too bad. So all you need to do is fill up a bag with some white vinegar spray and pop it over the shower head and leave it on. The lady that I saw did this, left it on for an hour, but mine wasn't too bad, so I only left it on for about 15 minutes and it still worked wonders. So if you do have a really dirty shower head and it's got more stubborn stains, definitely leave it on for longer, but it just saves you from having to actually scrub it. As soon as you take it off, it's nice and shiny. So I definitely recommend this one if you're needing to give your shower head a bit of a deeper clean. So the next hack is to clean Tupperware, and I was so excited to give this one a try. I've seen so many people do it over on TikTok as well as here on YouTube. So all you need is some washing up liquid, fill it with water, and the secret ingredient is supposed to be kitchen roll. So add some of that in and then shake it around for 45 seconds to a minute, and everyone else's seemed to just go crystal clear. It was like they were brand new again. So I was really excited to give this one a go. but it didn't work for me. It was a complete fail. As you can see, nothing came off. It's still just as orange, so I'm very disappointed with this one. Do let me know if you've given this one a go and if it worked for you, and if I'm just doing something wrong, because I've seen so many people try this and apparently it works, but it didn't work for me. And for my final hack, this is definitely a real life moment, but I don't really go into the half buff toilet area and give it a clean as often as it should. As you can see, it was filthy, so I thought this hack would be perfect to try out in here. So all you need is the white vinegar spray and some kitchen roll. Give it a good douse with the white vinegar spray and wrap it up in kitchen roll and leave it for around 10 minutes. And once you take it off, you don't need to do any scrubbing. All of the stains and rust and everything just come off so easily, and I definitely can recommend this one. As you can see, as soon as I took it off, it was just sparkly clean, so I did just wipe over with the kitchen roll and just clean the rest of it off, and it just left it so sparkly clean. So definitely recommend this one if you're anything like me and need to give your taps a bit more of a deeper clean. Let me know down in the comments what your favourite hack was, and if you'd like to see some more TikTok hacks, let me know, because this was so fun to do and I would love to do another one. Do go ahead and subscribe if you haven't already, and leave today's video a thumbs up, and I will see you back here in the next one.